Alright guys, so I guess we're going to go ahead and start off with the bad news first. Those of you that use the app Apollo TV, unfortunately, it has gone down. It is over. As you can see, here is the website. If you try to go to the website, it's shut down. It says the site can't be reached. This is what it used to look like, and it looks like it is completely down. I'm going to go ahead and remove it from the Filelinked store. Now, someone from one of the Facebook groups that I'm in actually spoke to the developer of Apollo TV, and he basically sent this message right here. Hey y'all, it saddens me to say this, but Apollo TV got shut down today. I've just had a conversation with the owner, and he said he got a cease and desist letter from various different movie production companies. He's being forced to hand over the code and domain and the DMCA holder, and he removed everything from the server and took the website down just to be safe. Thankfully, he isn't being charged for anything and will not have to pay any fines as long as he complies. Guys, so that is the scoop on Apollo TV. It looks like that whole journey is over. So now that I shared with you the bad news, let's move to the good news. Alright, so the good news is if you're fans of TTV, well guess what? It is back. Now, it's previously been up and down, it's been hit and miss. Well, it is back. I've got the latest updated version inside of my Filelinked store. If you need help getting Filelinked, no worries, I've got you covered. Check the link out in the description. I'll walk you through step by step on how to get it. It's really easy though, so definitely check it out. I'm not going to go in and do a tutorial on this video about TTV. I've got other videos that will do that. Really, this was just a quick announcement. I wanted to share with you what was going on with these two apps. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I'm interested to hear what you have to say. Are you happy? Are you sad? Do you even care? Let me know. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.